Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one we're going to help out our little friend Amra with a penguin drawing. Are you ready, Easy?
Yep.
Here we go. Okay. So, in the middle of the page, I'm drawing an upside down triangular shape, a little shape pointing upwards.
Okay.
You got that? And now some lines coming down. Now it looks like a little kite. You got that? Okay, and yours looks like a little diamond, which is fine. And now two big circular eyes. You got it?
Yep.
I'm throwing a big reflection in here and in the other one as well. So we've got two big eyes with little reflections, and I'm gonna make big pupils in there as well. That looks cute already. So now we've got our eyes, we've got our beak. Now I'm gonna draw just a little pointed shape there, rounded pointed shape.
Okay.
We've got that. And from here, Easy, I'm gonna go over the top and just tuck it in slightly. Tuck it in slightly. You got that?
Yep.
Are you coloring your eyes black? Okay. And now you've got this pointed shape here.
Yes.
Bringing that around here and till there. And the same on the other side. Similar to how an owl would be.
Okay.
So with this shape, we're going to carry it down, go in and come out wide again, and finish it off at the bottom. Can you see it?
Yes.
So now we draw little penguin feet. What does penguin feet look like? Little flippers.
Yes.
Okay, so we're just going to draw two little pads over here. That's going to be the feet. Got it? Now from these outer lines, we're going to come around here and connect it to the feet. And I'm connecting that line there as well in the middle.
Okay.
And over here, my penguin is going to say hello. I'm doing another line in there because it's going to be half black and the bottom side is going to be white. So yours is not saying hello? Okay. And my other arm is going to come down here, my other flipper. And I'm drawing that line again there. And that's my little penguin.
Yep.
Do you want to put a little hat on yours?
Maybe.
Maybe. Mine is gonna wear a little hat. So I'm gonna wear a little hat on the side over here. A little snug little hat. With a little ball on there, the fluffy ball on top. And yours got a big hat. Yours got a cool hat. What is that? What is that? A Mario hat! Your penguin's wearing a Mario hat, that's so cool! Okay, so that's our penguin, everybody.
Yeah.
Mine is wearing a little beanie with a little fluffy ball on top.
Yes.
And Ethan's one is wearing, is wearing a Mario hat. Okay, so time for color. Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our little penguins. Izzy's penguin has a Mario cap on and is actually dark blue and it looks really cool. That's actually a nice color you've got going there. And that's my penguin with a little beanie and the normal black and white color.
Yes.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope Amara likes this. So thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
I took a shot at once, right? So I'm now dropping